Hello everyone, welcome to Victory Point. Today we are excited to talk about a unique program that is being offered by the Indian Institute of Technology Jammu. It's called Rise Up. In this video, we'll give an overview of the program and how you can apply. So let's dive in. Rise Up, Research Internship in Science and Engineering, an undergraduate program. The Rise Up program is a 6-week immersive experience for students that provides an opportunity to engage in hands-on research and innovative projects, led by world-class faculty members from IIT Jammu. Eligibility for BE and B.Tech students, it's end of third year. For M.Sc and M.Tech students, it's end of first year. It is only for non-IIT Jammu students. During the program, participants will work on a specific research project in a team setting, where they will receive guidance from experienced mentors. The deadline of the online application submission is 23rd April 2023, 11:59 p.m. The results will be announced on or before 8th of May 2023. The internship is fully offline. The students will receive weekly stipend of Rs 2,500 during the course of internship. Hostel accommodation will also be provided. So how can you apply for this program? You can visit the link given in the description. So that's all about the Rise Up program offered by IIT Jammu. We hope that this video gave you a better understanding of what this program entails and how you can apply. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates like this.